Let's all give them a warm round of applause. So ayan na nga po, we have come to the part of the program. This is our press conference proper. Now we are very honored to have with us today members of the media who continue to support and share stories from entertainment, lifestyle, and digital industries. Now at this point, we are now opening the floor for questions. So the mechanics of this one would be, kindly raise your hand if you have a question, and then our team would gladly assist you, and then we're gonna be handing over po the microphone, no? So, let us now start the question and answer portion. Starting off from Hataw. Nasaan po si Marie Chris Nicasio or Nicasio from Hataw? Okay po, there you go. Sige po ma'am. Okay, we are gonna be bringing the microphone to you. Okay, there po.
Good afternoon, so surprise ito. Anyway, yan. Miss Maxine. Tanong ko lang, ano pong DM na to? Parang fan ka na doon sa dati mong ginagawa. Yun ba yun?
Okay, so once again, DM Studios, it's a live selling agency, so live commerce platform wherein we help brands, audiences, and of course celebrities, influencers also. So we connect them to brands as well, and we do mount their lives. So we convert, so there's a conversion, syempre, so there's fast selling results also. So basically, yung kaibahan niya is before, brands get me to live sell their products. Now, I am already the agency. So, I'm also a live seller at the same time. I also do mount for the brands. So, I connect them to celebrities and influencers. Thank you po.
Alright, next question po from Saksi. Is Ethel Genuino present po? From Saksi or any member po from Saksi team?
Question ko lang, no? Since kayo kayo na yung tutulong, mag-aano ng sa brand, hindi meron siyang fee? May certain fee?
Yes, there is, but also we do have also contracts from different platforms as well. So they get us to do the lives for different brands, but sometimes brands can also go directly to us, so we can help them for their live selling.
Okay, yun lang. Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, up next po, who wants to ask a question? Okay, from Abante Tonight.
Congratulations, this is bagong endeavor niyo. Aside from dun sa mga influencers na nakita namin, binasa niyo sa screen kanina, sino ba yung mga influencers na nagpakita ng interest na to join your post, mga sa agency, sa live selling? Sino dyan makinig, nakita ko diba?
Yes. After this press conference, we're going to have our launch later tonight. So we invited all the celebrities who are very interested to join our agency and for them also to try live selling. So Raver Cruz is interested, Julian San Jose as well. Who else? Tuesday Vargas, Carla Beliana also. Other influencers like Simon. Who else? EA De Guzman will be here as well. Sila Shira Diaz. All of our friends would also like to try. We're very much open to help them. Sila Kuya Paulo Ravales will also go. Sila Pancho Magno, Zeus Collins, sila Dasari Choi. Halos mga friends din namin from the industry.
Ganda answer. Ang tanong ko kasi, would it be exciting also na magkaroon kayo ng Founders Night? Lalo minsan na image kayo naman yung magla-live sell. Kasi kapon din yan sa mga followers ko, di ba? Founders Night.
Actually, nag-live sell na ako since last year pa. And nung first, actually, to be honest, medyo naano ako kasi it's a new world for me. And watching Diane, it's sobrang ang galing niya. And na-witness niyo naman yun na nakaka-reach siya talaga ng sobrang daming audience and trust. So, ako naman, as a live commerce now, sobrang I've seen how powerful connection is, especially with your fans, with your audience. It's a new experience for everybody. Hindi lang sa showbiz side, pero of course to connect with other people, like iba't ibang sa business. Alam niyo yun, or kapag nagiging authentic ka kasi in front of live, you get connection and then it converts.
Well, once in a while, yun dyan.
Hi guys, thank you Thank you so much for coming. Sobrang na-appreciate namin kayo. Ako naman, nag-start ako, siguro mag-1 year na rin ako. Bago pa lang din ako sa live selling and I'm still learning. Pero syempre, nakita ko kasi yung wife ko nung pandemic pa lang. Siya talaga yung nag-start nito. So, 3 pa lang sila noon. Tapos si Diane, hard work talaga kasi syempre, kailangan talaga makapag-connect ka sa viewers mo para ma-attract mo sila and makuha mo yung trust nila. So hindi talaga siya easy work din na mag-live sell ka kasi mga 3 hours kasi sinasabi na iba nakaupo lang. Pero hindi kasi kailangan inaaral na rin yung product nyo. Dahil syempre yung live commerce, gusto mo ma-experience nung audience para bakit ko bibilin to? Bakit ko kailangan to? So yun ang maganda sa DM Studios. Tinitrain din natin yung mga host natin, yung mga nag-live sell. At ang maganda sa DM Studios, isang family kami doon. So, hindi lahat perfect. Lahat kami nagtutulungan at sabay-sabay kami natututo.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'd also like to answer the question of Miss Kate, which was cut off earlier. I started live selling year 2020 actually. So it was during the pandemic. I was pregnant with Joaquin. So many moms were actually messaging me on Instagram asking me to help them sell their products. So sabi ko, ano bang gagawin ko dito? So I met them online, I gathered them, and I sold their products online. So surprisingly, ang laki nung kinita ko without shelling capital. So from then on, doon ko na-realize, I can actually do this. I can actually do this online shopping or online live selling. So doon nag-start. But the opportunity came year 2023. So, different platforms open, such as TikTok and Shopee. So, from there, dun ako nag-start natuto mag-live sell. So, live commerce kasi ngayon, very, na talaga, nag-evolve na rin yung industry na yan. So many people are also exploring live commerce kasi mas entertaining siya and mas engaging as compared to e-commerce platforms. So many people are really buying in live commerce. So we can also see that live commerce can actually increase rate conversion of up to 10% when it comes to live commerce platform as compared to e-commerce. So right now, according to studies, 70% of consumers actually prefers buying through live commerce instead of e-commerce because they want real-time engagement, they want interaction, and they want product demonstration. So they actually buy it. Mas nagiging potential yung viewer na maging buyer if they can actually see the product demonstrated in front of them or through the screen rather.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Hi Diane, follow up lang. What do you enjoy the most about live selling? And ano yung mga products na hindi mo in-expect na, ay, kaya ko palang ibenta sa live selling?
Well, as you all know, I'm also an events host. For those of you who doesn't know my background, so I do hosting. I love hosting a lot. I'm also still a news anchor and segment reporter from PTV4. So what I love the most about live selling is that it's parang not far from yung ginagawa ko na talaga. So parang I'm also hosting at the same time, interacting to different people from different walks of life. And ang sarap lang makipag-engage na nagbibenta ka. You're actually helping them. You're giving them good deals, discounts, and promos. So our advocacy and our vision here is not just to sell, but again, help brands grow and thrive in this industry. And of course, help our audience get good deals and discounts and promos through your live selling. What product na nagulat ako na kaya ko palang bumenta? Siguro phones. Because I am being categorized as a mom. So usually brands will brands who will get me are mga mom and baby brands, milk brands. So, nagulat ako na kaya ko pala mag-electronic brands. Kasi before na masyado na akong nagla-live for home appliances, beauty, cosmetics. So, first time ko electronics and it was a success. I actually got 25 million pesos total GMV sales. So GMV is gross merchandise value. So that's the total sales of my live during the 3-3, which was just last March 3.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you Archie Liao. May magtatanong naman. Teka.
Hello.
Ikaw ulit. May follow-up question ng editor ng Hataw, si Miss Marie Chris.
Eto na. Kasi before, Dayan, ikaw yung pinagla-live selling na certain products, di ba? Ngayon, ikaw na yung nag-i-invite sa kanila para mag-live selling for your studios. Ano yung nakukuha nung, kunwari ako, I have my own products na tutulungan mo akong i-live selling yung produkto ko. Ano yung makukuha mo sa akin and at the same time, yung vice versa, nakukuha sa'yo?
In terms of, we're talking about business or in terms of benefits?
Benefits and
Okay, so just to clear, I'm still live selling. So I'm also the agency and at the same time, I still do live selling for different brands. So in terms of benefits, number one, we give them product exposure and product awareness. But in terms of commission and percentage, of course, there will be talent fee plus commission for the agency and for the celebrities and influencers who does live selling.
Hello.
Ikaw muna. Go.
Manila Bulletin. Ano qualities of a good seller? Or
Yes, of course, that's part of the characteristics that we're, and qualifications that we're actually looking for. But of course, number one would be authenticity. We need you to be authentic because nowadays, all of our viewers and audiences, they're very smart. They know if you're just doing this just for the sake of selling the product or just by, being so much hard sell or sobrang hard sell mo. So we need authentic, someone who's very authentic and genuine and someone who's very honest. Because in live selling, we don't just sell products just to generate income. We sell products because we truly believe in the product. And your viewers can actually get that from you and it will reflect to your viewers. That's why authenticity is really the key. Consistency. And again, live selling is not easy. It entails a lot of sacrifice, effort, commitment, and dedication. And you need a whole production team to be able to mount that live and to be able to have a successful live. Like what I said earlier, during the 3-3 live, we actually had a total of 25 million pesos sales. So to be able to do that, grabe po yung sakripisyo na gagawin ng team. So our live hosts also, the one we hired as well, they're all professionally trained as hosts and on how to also also how to demonstrate the products and relay the product information really well to the audience.
so hindi pwede ang introvert dito sa
Hindi talaga because siguro naman we can train them. But of course, here it has to be entertaining and engaging. I believe, Rojo, would you like to share your experience on how important it is that you need to be engaging? Yung husband ko, nagsasayaw na sa live, even Maxine. Kasi that's how you get viewers and engagement. Hindi pwedeng parang nanonood lang sila. You need to be creative. Every live, all of our team, we strategize. We always have a plan. And we always meet. Nagmi-meeting kami. Ano magagawin natin for this live? Because we also set a target or quota every live. And we need to hit that target. And to be able to hit that, you need to strategize. Roger, would you like to share?
Actually, hindi talaga siya biro. Hard work talaga siya. Kasi isipin nyo, 3 hours yun eh. Siyempre sa industry natin, kunyari meron tayong hosting, meron tayong performance, tapos na yan in 3 minutes, tapos na yan in 15 minutes. Pero dito, kailangan mo talaga maging consistent. And siyempre, live po tayo, kailangan din natin maging alert. So wala tayong kailangan sabihin ng mga bad words, ganyan. Nagtutulungan po kami. Hindi siya biro kasi ako, syempre kailangan natin i-entertain yung viewers natin. Yung mga viewers kasi natin, na-attract natin, yan ay yung mga magiging loyal customers natin. So syempre, kailangan ma-build mo yung trust nila. Bakit nila kailangan bilhin to? And syempre, pag may mga products, kailangan din ma-explain nyo, maipakita nyo, para ma-experience nila. So yun, so lahat ginagawa namin doon. Sumasayaw kami, kumakanta, nagkukwentuhan. Kasi gusto rin namin ma-feel yung authenticity natin, maging authentic. Tsaka para kayong nasa bahay lang na kinakausap mo yung mga viewers mo.
Sa akin naman, people buy from the people they trust them. So, na-realize ko as a live commerce, live seller, nakailan na ako, and eventually natututunan ko na siya kung paano dalhin. Kasi entertainment is still there. Authentic, be energetic. And of course, kailangan engaging ka sa mga tao. Ang dami naming questions, yung mga nagko-comment doon, ang daming mga questions doon. And it's fun to answer. Siyempre, be honest, and transparency yung nakaka-entertain sa kanila eh. So, ayun, nakakatuwa lang din na may nakakausap ka from there while working, and at the same time, na-enjoy mo din yung ginagawa.
Okay, last question. Last few weeks ago, usap namin si Kiray. And she's now live selling Japanese. Talagang,
Microphone.
hindi na muna siya
Testing.
inamin niya na hindi muna siya mag-showings because ang laki na nakita niya sa live selling. At nakabili na siya ng 2 kotse, no? Isang van for her, tsaka sa mami niya. Kayo, what can you share na pwede niyong sabihin na regalo niyo sa sarili mo for being a big live seller?
Siguro it's really more of we're going back to our core, our purpose. Why are we doing this? Our objective. Pinaka-regalo namin is to help other people and to be able to share that blessings to others. Because God gave us these talents and binigay niya tong opportunity na to in this DM Studios business, and we lift this up to our Lord Jesus Christ. All glory and honor to Him. So we're just giving back also to our friends from the industry, to our celebrity friends, influencers, and we help them earn extra income and passive income as well. And at the same time, we're able to help brands also grow and thrive through live selling. That's why our tagline is DM Studios, where we empower brands through live selling. So this is the gift. Ito yung mapagmamalaki namin, that we're able, to share this God-given talent to others, and we're able to share and touch lives, di ba? Na nakakatulong kami sa kanila. So yun yung mapagmamalaki ko talaga na nabigay sa amin na regalo. At yun din yung regalong na i-share namin pabalik.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Up next, who wants to ask question?
Natalie from Philippine Star. My question is for Diane.
Hello po.
Ano ba yung kwento talaga? What made you decide na parang kailangan mong mag-put up ng live selling agency?
Okay. It all started kasi with a dream and vision. Really talaga, my advocacy and vision talaga is to be able to help others also who wants to thrive in the live selling industry. Because when I started live selling, so many friends from the industry were actually asking me, Diane, I wanted to do this, I wanted to try, but I don't know how to connect them to brands. So it was just year 2025 when I decided the same team that you will meet later on. I'm not sure if they can come here in the press conference, but the launching they will go later. Sila rin po yung same team na kasama ko na po during day 1. So kami po yung nagsama-sama, and we share the same vision din dito sa industry na to. So it's really more, I guess, helping, more partnerships and collaborations, and again, helping brands also thrive and grow in the business. And ako at the same time, I'm really enjoying what I'm doing. Lalo na pagdating sa live selling, and I take my job seriously. If you know me, I juggle so much work. I try as much as possible to try different works also, events hosting, TV acting. I also, of course, news din sa PTV. So ngayon naman sa live selling, so I just explore and I just, make the most out of it. Kung anong blessing ni Lord na binigay, I make sure also to make sure that I use that to glorify Him by also sharing this talent and helping others also. Kasi gusto kong mag-reflect din yung values, di ba, sa iba na makatulong ka din, pati sa brands. So this isn't just, live selling. It's deeper pa talaga yung vision.
Okay, is this gonna be your, parang main, passion or main business?
Business, yes. Hopefully,
Focus.
this will be a long term. Because we don't know kasi di ba, in and out naman yung trends. So we just focus, we just work really hard, and we make sure yung kaming team, we're very focused on one goal. Habang binibigay pa ni Lord, we just keep on working really hard. And syempre, it's a never-ending learning process. So we're just gonna learn so many lessons pa all throughout or along the way. So kami naman, we just work hard, dire-diretso lang hanggang nandito pa na may live selling pa rin. Because we don't know kasi different po yung trends ngayon eh. Sometimes come and go.
You mentioned yung last March. Would you say that you're earning more from here, live selling, than from showbiz?
Yes. So much. Way. So much.
So, pati daw si Rojo, nag-agree ka yata.
Kaya parang sumama na rin siya. Una,
Hindi, actually, kagaya nga sinabi ko, naniniwala ako sa vision ng wife ko, syempre si Dayan. Asawa ko yan so I will support her all the way. And nandito nga po tayo to help brands. And syempre, makakatulong din tayo sa ating mga creators, sa ating partners. And at the same time, na-enjoy ko din po kasi nakakatrabaho na tayo, nakakatulong po tayo sa mga tao. Ngayon po kasi, ang ginagawa ko syempre, talagang double time ako. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin po yung mga project natin sa showbiz. Meron po akong gagawin na Firewall. Yes, yung teleserye. So yun yung tama yung sinasabi ni Dan, lahat ng glory kay Lord talaga. So lahat ng ginagawa namin ni Dan, pinagdadasal namin. Kasi lahat naman ng talent na meron tayo, galing kay Lord. So yun po, love ko po rin kasi talaga yung show business. Talagang love ko sumayaw, umarte, kumanta. Ngayon kasi, ang maganda sa live commerce, meron tayong viewers. Umaabot tayo sa buong mundo, nakakausap mo sila. Kasi minsan habang nagle-live sell ka, nakakatuwa naman, hello, Rojun, fan mo ako from ganyan. Hi, Rojun from Visayas, Mindanao, Luzon. So nakaka-connect tayo sa kanila, nakakapagpasaya din tayo ng madaming tao. Thank you.
Last na lang question, friend. Teka lang, Jay. Kamusta naman yung working as a, family, hindi kasi bihira lang kasi si family members in a business. Parang you don't work with family members. Yun nga yung advice ng maraming businessmen. So, why did you decide to work on this as a family? Ano pong advantage doon? Thank you.
I guess advantage would be we know each other really well and alam na rin namin yung foundation ng business because we've been live selling for 2 years na rin. 3 years ako, pero sila recently. Pero I guess yung dynamics kasi namin, gusto ko we share the same values and goals and vision also pagdating sa DM Studios. So hindi na ako nagdalawang isip, of course, to thank my family members and the team na kasama ko since day one. So kami rin po yung magkakasama dito. So pare-pareho naman tayo ng goal. We're all hardworking. Kasi sabi ko nga, live selling isn't easy. Talagang entails a lot of sacrifice. Promise, iba po yung nakikita nyo sa video compared dun sa behind the scenes. Talagang grabe po talaga to be able to mount a live selling and of course to be able to reach certain quota or target. Lalo na yung 1 million pa lang napakahirap i-reach yan. And to be able to do that takes a lot of effort. And ako, laki ng tiwala ko, ng trust ko sa team and sa 2 partners ko. And I guess sa iba siguro, doesn't work for them. But for us, nagkakasundo yung dynamics namin tatlo. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I'm G. Trilliana from Malaya Business Insight. Si Miss Diane, has it always been, congratulations sa DM Studios, has it always been your dream to be a CEO?
Yes, of course, but I was actually dreaming of becoming a CEO of my own brand, products talaga, before. So I never imagined that one day I'm going to open up my own agency. So it's just recently lang that that vision and dream turned reality. So I'm very happy that you're all here to support us. So it's our day one, so I hope we will get all the love and support from everybody and from all the media friends. So yeah, dati yun iba yung pangarap ko, but I guess iba yung will and plan ni Lord for us.
You mentioned before that you sold products when you were in high school, right?
Yes.
You shared. I'd like to ask Maxine and Roljun, kung kayo ba before, meron din kayong ganon? Like meron kayong entrepreneurial drive or spirit when you were much younger? Can you recall kung meron kayong tapos ano ba yung naramdaman yung kinilig ba kayo and what age were you then?
Sa akin, wala po, pero nung bata ko, lagi ako nag-iipon. Pag binibigyan ako ng baon, hindi ko po ginagastos lahat kasi gusto ko makaipon. Tapos may nag-aalaga sa akin nun si Manang Kunching. Natuwa ako nun kasi nakaipon ako ng 10,000 kasi hindi ko lahat inuubos yung baon ko. Para nagtitipid ako, tapos nilalagay ko po sa alkansya kay Manang Kunching. Tapos, yun nga, binuksan ni Manang Kunching naka 10,000 na tayo. So, natuwa ako na, ganun pala yun. So, kailangan mag-save up ka. Tapos, nung nakuha ko na yung 10,000 yun, ang ginawa ko doon, nililibre ko yung mga classmates ko. So, doon ko nakita na kapag nag-share ka din, grabe yung blessings na binabalik sa'yo ni Lord. So, balance lang din.
Ako naman po, mga bata pa lang kasi kami, every summer, parang na-train kami na earn for what you want. So, every summer, nasa labas kami ng kuya ko, actually, umaakit kami ng puno to get some mangoes. Oo, true! Kasi wala sila mommy working, so kami, nag-explore kami sa garden, and then meron kaming puno ng mangga. Kinukuha namin yon, and then every hapon, binibenta namin piso isa. So every earning, nakakabili kami ng toy namin, nakakabili kami ng gusto namin. So yon, but nung nasa STC naman kami, kasi uso dati, di ba, paglabas mo ng school, may mga beads, yung parang nylon, naalala mo yun. Gumagawa kami ng mga bracelets, necklace, and then sinisell ko sa mga classmates ko.
So, meron talaga, bata pa lang kayo.
I'd also like to share, because most of you are also asking about our vision and purpose. Why are we doing live selling? I forgot to tell you this story. So I did a campaign for TikTok. It's called Buy Local, Shop Local, wherein we help the farmers. So I went personally to Nueva Ecija, sat down with the farmers there. They're actually selling rice o bigas na sila po nag-aani. So TikTok Philippines tapped me to live sell their products, and I was able to sell 2.4 million pesos worth of rice. So imagine that huge help that could give our farmers. It would uplift also, di ba? It would uplift their lives. And parang it's really more of supporting local brands as well and helping them thrive in the business. So you're giving them opportunity. Lalo na yung mga small businesses. You're giving them opportunity because of course you're exposing them during your live selling, and of course you get celebrities and influencers who already has a name in the business who will actually hold their products. So in that way, it's really a great help for them. So parang hindi ko lang na-share kanina, that's also our way on how to give back, and also that's our vision also to not just live sell but also to support that advocacy and legacy to help other people also and support local businesses.
Have you gotten in touch with them, or do you plan to continue that campaign?
I hope so. Sana tuloy-tuloy na maraming campaigns na gawin yung mga different platforms. But yes, buy local, shop local campaigns of TikTok naman are continuous. So, and even Shopee, they also have parang campaigns also. They do projects and programs which actually can help yung mga audience natin, lalo na yung mga masa.
you mentioned kanina that you manage influencers. Right now, do you have a number? How many influencers do you have in your stable?
Okay, I'm just going to ask our head. How many creators and celebrities are under DM as of now? Yeah, because we just started, so we have total of 15 and we have like 50 applicants and inquiries. But then again, we cannot get all of them instantly and right away because the new rule, yung bagong rule na po ngayon, we have this called incubation period. The platform still needs to check if they can really sell. So it will talagang parang i-check po din yung GMV nila, yung total sales nila before they give contract.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. G. Susunod tatanong, eto Dayan, ang editor ng Manila Standard at presidente, Manila Times rather, at ang magandang presidente ng Speed, Talbog.
Hello, good afternoon. Congratulations to all of you. Diana, I just wanted to pick up from the last press conference that we had. You had a message to mothers that they can also do what you do, diba? At that time, that was your message. But now that you've put up a studio, what is your message to mothers now? Kasi they relate to you so much, diba?
Siguro, it's really more of you just keep doing what you love and make sure if you have business, just keep on pushing on your business dreams and goals in life. Sometimes it's really tiring because I've said earlier, it requires a lot of sacrifice. So if you're tired, you just need to take a pause or break but never give up on your business dreams and goals in life. So yun talaga. And again, I'm encouraging them also to explore live commerce because anyone naman can actually do live selling eh. So you just need the right tools, right information to be able, to set up your own live selling. So I encourage them, if they want passive income or extra earning, they can do live commerce as well because live commerce is really the fast-selling digital commerce globally.
But as you said, it's not as simple as it is anymore,
Yes.
no? But can, moms who just have, parang small products, can they actually seek your, not support, but actually, sign up with your studio? Would that be very expensive for them?
I would honestly say yes. So I would rather recommend doing an alternative of affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is when you affiliate certain products, for example, on TikTok or on Shopee, you just take a video of the products. Actually, my PA, Annie here, she also does affiliate marketing. Tinuruan ko lahat sila and they're earning. So you don't need to shell out a lot of capital or money. You just need to take videos of the products, put a link, and it's a shared or split commission already. So the the affiliate marketing, so meron kang brand at saka yung mismong nag-affiliate, split commission na po sila. So you don't need to shell out money. You just need to post the product. Tapos kikita na po kayo. So siguro yun po yung marirecommend ko muna. But if they want to start up their own live selling, they can start with their accounts. But as much as the agency is concerned, siguro this
Big
is for
brands pa lang
influencers. Yes, big brands po.
Big brands pa lang muna. But have you ever thought of also doing consultancy siguro?
Yes, of course. I actually help a lot of brands, lalo na yung mga startup and small businesses. When they inquire, I actually tell them not to do this aggressively muna para you're able to ROI your money, something like that. So I teach them naman. I'm very generous naman on that part.
And so yung mga, if you call it productions na siguro of your studio, so we will see them in different, I suppose, stores. Anong tawag doon? Parang, kunyari, you're doing this for a certain brand, we'll see that on their page. Parang ganon, di ba?
Yes.
Oo.
We'll see, the live selling.
Like your live selling, it happens on their page.
No,
but produced by you?
We do have our own accounts. So per artist, celebrity, and influencer, you have your own either TikTok or Shopee account, and we do the live there. We mount the live there.
So kahit na if different brands, it will be in your account.
Yes.
That's where they will see it.
Yes.
Okay.
So there are two categories. Sometimes we do live for exclusive to the brands only, or sometimes naman there's a mixed live. So it really depends on the campaign. For example, ngayon magsa-summer na. So what we can do is mixed live of different essentials pang summer, something like that. So we strategize. The whole team actually, we plan everything out before releasing the campaign.
Do you know of any other company that does this, or are you the first? Because
No,
it's the
there's
first.
so many.
Ah,
So many.
Okay, yung mga
Siguro kami
advertising
lang po yung
agencies.
artista.
Okay, so but are they usually sa mga advertising agencies?
No, this is called MCN agency.
MCN
agency.
Okay.
So it's different from the other ad agencies that you see out there in the should I say market or in the industry. So MCN agency is really focused on live selling, live commerce talaga po.
It's
We
so
mount
interesting.
the live selling talaga, and we get celebrities, we connect them to the brands, and the brands, what can they benefit from us is that, of course, product exposure, product awareness. We help them build their brands. We help them grow their products.
It's evolving so quickly, and it's great that you've stepped in and actually you're doing a lot for life.
No, because yun nga kanina said earlier, based from the study that we did, 70% of the consumers really, they actually buy the product if there's real-time engagement and if there's product demonstration, which you can only see through live selling or live commerce. It's different from e-commerce wherein you just shop through the platform. You just click on the basket, add to cart, and you check out. That's it. But with live commerce, live selling siya, you experience the product by just watching.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, Diane. Congrats.
Thank you po.
Tanong ko lang, hindi ko lang nakuha kanina ang bilis ng yung mga celebrities na ka-join nyo dito. Sino-sino ulit?
For celebrities, of course, myself, Diane Medina, Maxine Medina, Roger Cruz. We have Jan Marini, Jared Pizarra, CJ Ramos, Nadine Samonte, Katia Santos, Kathleen Hermosa, influencers, Team Moshi, Ice Arago, and Rich Reginaldo. From Sparkle, we also have Jeremy, Levin, Hans Galendez, Claudine, Miro Max, yung influencer din ko na kilala. Miro, yung name niya.
And I'm sure marami pang nag-a-apply.
Yes, Mary Cummings upcoming din na lalabas by May, month of May.
Tapos last question, si Kiray kasi nasabi niya noon na parang kumita siya ng biggest niya is 5M a day sa live selling. Kayo ba ano yung masasabi mong pinakamalaki mong na live sell?
Sa akin, 25 million.
Oh.
GMV po.
In a day?
We're talking about GMV, gross merchandise value. If it's GMV, 25 million pesos.
Oh.
Are we talking about GMV? Because it's different from her own kita to GMV. The GMV, yes, it's 25 million po.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Si Rojun, pinakamalaki mo?
Yung pinakamalaki ko, 15 million. Gusto kong habulin si Dayan pero talaga si Dayan, magaling talaga eh.
Rojun pala 15 million. Maxine, what's your highest?
4 million, 4.5.
4.5.
Ayaw patalbog kay Kiray, ibig sabihin nun, di ba? Yun.
No,
Anyways,
Kiray is my good friend. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung sinasabi niya kung GMV ba or own kita ni Kiray. So, baka own kita yung ni Kiray.
Pwedeng own kita ni Kiray din kasi dahil mismo nila live sell niya, product niya. So yun.
Ayan. Pagkatapos ang editor ng Manila Times at presidente ng SPIT, gayon ang presidente namin sa PNBC, Miss F.
Let's go, Miss F.
Hello. Good afternoon, Diane and maganda naman ang introduction sa akin. Hindi, Diane, gusto ko lang malaman yung oras mo. Paano mo nilidivide ngayon na isa ka ng pinakamataas na nasa agency ka na, ikaw ang head ng agency. Paano mo na napagkakasya yung oras ko sa panahon ngayon.
Miss Steph, I practice, of course, work-life balance. I make sure to manage my time. Kasi yung mga anak ko, nagulat ako like si Bella, biglang lumaki na. So doon ako na parang wait lang, kailangan ko palang i-balance talaga. I make sure to spend more time with her and of course kay Joaquin. So it's all about just time management lang din talaga. I make sure that I plan things ahead of time. And syempre, thank you Lord, may mga angels tayo sa house na tumutulong din po talaga sa akin. Of course, our team is ever reliable also. So talagang ano naman kami, may mga roles po kami, Miss F. May mga naka-role na sa amin, bawat isa like with Maxine, siya yung sa sales, Rojan, bahala na siya sa PR and marketing. Kami po nila, Miss Karen, our head, we do the operations, lahat. So, may kanya-kanya naman pong toka. So, mas nagkakaroon kami rin ng time with our families.
Ayun. Isang tanong pa, paano mo daw nagsisimula ang araw mo at nagtatapos ito? Paano mo daw
Miss F, nagsisimula po yung araw niya, kinikiss niya muna ako, tapos magtatapos din po na i-kiss din niya po ako after ng babies namin. Kiss at hug.
Ikaw talaga ang sumagot, ha?
No, when I wake up in the morning, of course, I pray to our Lord Jesus Christ. I thank Him for all the blessings and, of course, for waking us up. And, nagsastart siya kasi unang pupuntahan ko si Bella. I will check on her. And then, yeah, si Rojo. Si Joaquin kasi po aalis ng 9 a.m. to go to his school. So, magbababay yun si Joaquin, ganun, usually ganun lang. Tapos by mga 12 lunch na, mag-work na ako. So online, lahat. And then, magla-live na kami sa studio namin sa QC na around mga 6 o'clock. Nandun na. Hanggang gabi na po yun. And then, ganun lang po, everyday. Pero kapag may PTV4 ako, meron kaming shoot sa umaga, 8 a.m. May studio na po ako sa bahay na sarili. So, pumupunta po yung team, nandiyan po yung team ko, PTV4. I do the segment Negosyo Tayo, wherein we feature different businesses, inspiring business stories. Under Rise and Shine Pilipinas, morning flagship show of PTV4. So, I'm still part of that morning show. And I also do events hosting. So, depende sa schedule po.
Thank you, Dayan.
Thank you.
Balik tayo sa speed. Ito naman ang editor ng PM at Philippine Star ngayon, Salve Asis, ang pinalitan ni Tessa bilang presidente ng SPID. Ito po.
Growing introduction, friend. So yan, interested lang malaman, ano yung audience mo? Anong demographic ng audience? Every time na nagla-live selling ka?
Actually, it really depends on the product that you're selling. Sometimes, if it's high-valued items, syempre yung may mga potential buyers lang din talaga, such as, for example, I'll name na products sa mga brands, DJI, Insta360. So, yung price value nila like Samsung, iPhone, nasa mga 50,000 pesos, 70,000 pesos. So, basically, yung mga bumibili, yung mga talagang mga buyers talaga na may buying power. Pero kapag yung mga binibenta natin, buy one, take one, yung mga mura lang, mga masa po yung pumapasok. There's this called, if I may share, yung ads. So there's this, what we call ads. So you get ads para mas tumaas yung viewers mo during the live. Sa ads po kasi, you can filter out kung sino yung pwede mong papasukin at saka yung hindi. So if you feel that the items that you're selling are high-valued items, you can actually filter that out, yung may mga buying power lang. Because I remember one time, wala kaming mga ads pa, nung time na 2023 pa, mga pumapasok sa akin mga students. So walang bumibili masyado. So through time din talaga, maiintindihan mo na how it works. Pati yung ads, how do you do ads, how you strategize, because our team also analyze the data. We data read real time during the live. Alam namin sa bumabagsak, alam namin anong product yung dapat i-flex, ano yung mataas, so we can reach our target. Kasi they set targets like Shopee. Oh, for this live, I'm going to ask Ms. Kat, what's our target? So sasabihin, 1M for this live. Si Maxine, during her life, she was able to hit the target. Ang target lang 4 million, but she was able to surpass it to 4.4. So, depende po, bawat live po, kaya may kanya-kanyang strategies kasi may target po na dapat i-reach. And you would also want to reach that target because the brands will give commissions to the seller.
So like, mga how much yung commission?
How much usually range?
Para at least may idea then.
1 to 5%. But sometimes beauty brands, they can go as high as 10%. 10%.
So but anyway, yung bang masukan siya ng bashers?
Yes!
Ay, mga ilang percent na mamonitor?
Ang daming bashers din. Like for example, nagla-live ka, syempre dire-diretso po yung comments. May times hindi nyo na po nababasa or na-flex yung product na gusto nila. And then they will be, so demanding. Sinabi ko na nga, i-flex mo, ganyan. So what we do is just, we ignore. Sometimes we apologize, tapos i-flex na lang namin. We try to be as kind as possible. Because you don't want to ruin the mood of the live selling, pati yung team. So we try to ignore as much as possible and just focus on the live. Siguro pinaka nakuha ko, sabi nila, mataba ako. Because after giving birth, nag-live na kagad ako. So syempre, alam naman natin, mga mommies dito, I'm sure you can all relate. Medyo syempre, baka manas ka pa noon, nagla-live na ako. So siguro yung weight gain ko talaga, number 1 na binabash sa akin talaga, online. So don't worry, I'm dieting now. I'm starting. Si Rojo na may bash ka na. Wala ata to favorite si Rojo, nilove siya nung viewers niya. Ako talaga weight gain. Ikaw meron na, wala? Wala din, ako lang. Weight gain yung sa akin. Sa more on looks lang talaga.
Okay, thank you. May pahabol na question si Vinya. Kung dahil din sa live selling, may time pa kayo with each other. I mean, si Roger and si Taylor.
Yes, madami pa kaming time. Sobrang dami namin time. Minsan nga sabay po kami nag-live sell. Pag nag-live sell, si Dayan, nakasupport ako sa kanya. So pag ako nag-live sell, nandun lang si Dayan. So pag medyo mababa yung sales ko, Vic, punta ka dito, tulungan mo ako, bilis. So pag pupasok si Dayan, tuloy-tuloy na yung pagtaas ng GMV. Tapos yun, pag wala naman kaming wala kaming work that day, lumalabas pa rin kami nila Isabella and Joaquin, so na-enjoy pa rin namin yung time namin na family.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you. Si Joaquin.
Thank you po. Ito naman, ang pinalitan ni Miss F, ang dating presidente ng PMPC, Mel Navarro.
Introduction. Hello, Dian. Multitasking yung buhay mo ngayon, no? Kung i-rank yung kumbaga priorities or yung gusto mong ginagawa, number 1, live seller or businesswoman. Number 2, mother. Number 3, TV and events host. And number 4, talent manager of creators.
I would rank, of course, number 1 would be mother. It's the best in the world. Greatest gift I've ever received is, being a mom of 2, being a mom to Joaquin and Isabella. So number 1, mom. 2 would, of course, be the agency, live selling. 3, of course, hosting on TV, on PTV4, and events hosting. And lastly, being a talent manager. So, lahat naman gusto kong gawin. So as much as possible, I do. I make sure na balance din lahat. So it's all about time management.
Doon sa nabanggit mong celebrities kanina, more on the creator side lang. Hindi mo sila minamanage sa ibang field of
No,
entertainment.
just for the live selling.
So, paano mo sila pinipili? I mean, anong criteria?
We actually pass set of lists to the platforms and then they give us back the shortlisted na mga names. And then from there, I ask them if you want to work with us. Then from there, they try. So there's this, what we call incubation. So they do the live sell first. And if it's a success, the platform will give them a contract. And of course, our agency as well. But if hindi po masyado maganda yung result ng live sell nila, then that's it for them. We look for another celebrity or influencer na po.
Thank you. For Maxine, hi Maxine. Gaano kayo ka-close ni Dayan bilang magpinsan?
Simula pa po kasi pagkabata namin, we grew up in one house with our lola. So, ganun po kami ka-close. As in, tsaka double degree din po kami since my double degree cousins. Kasi my mom and her mom, magkapatid. And then, dad, first cousins.
Parang double degree.
Yes.
First and second degrees.
Ganito po kami ka-close talaga.
Paano mo siya i-describe sa amin na hindi namin alam?
Ano ba? Ang pinaka-first thing na umano sa isip ko ngayon is she's really a hardworking and at the same time, sobrang helpful niya sa tao. As in, kahit hindi family, more especially sa family, sobrang lahat ng tao tinutulungan niya kahit sobrang stressed na siya. At kinakaya niya in one day. Sobrang bilib na bilib ako talaga sa cousin ko ever since. Kaya nga, I look up to her. And now that I'm here, kung napansin niyo from pageantry, nandun siya to support me. Now sa acting, nandun siya to support me. And now, in business industry, I'm with her and I'm so happy and I'm grateful.
Thank you for Rojun, last na. Anong ugali ni Dayan na gusto mo at ayaw mo? Ayan.
Parang wala ata akong ayaw kay Dayan.
Wow.
Parang lalo pa ako na in love sa kanya everyday kasi kaya blessed si Dayan kasi napakabuti po talaga ng puso ni Dayan. Totoo talaga kasi ang goal niya talaga syempre bukod sa sarili niya, bukod sa mag-earn siya, makahelp talaga ng tao. Kaya alam ni Lord yung heart niya kaya sobrang siyang biniblessed. And sobrang swerte ko kay Dan, hulog talaga siya ng langit sa akin. Siyempre kay Joaquin and Isabella.
Hindi, siguro siyempre may mga normal naman yung mga hindi pa kakaunawaan.
Siguro yung mga maliit na bagay lang po dito. Siyempre, multitask queen yan eh. Ang dami niyang ginagawa. So minsan, nagpapalambing ako eh, kaso busy, naiintindihan ko naman. Yun lang, yung mga maliit na ganun lang po.
Oras.
Kiss, sige nga.
Tsaka nag-aaway kami sa pagkain.
Tulad na?
Kasi pag sa food ko, syempre gusto ko ako yung unang... syempre pag may order tayo o may food. So pag may order ako, siya unang titikim. So pag sa akin, syempre love ko si Dayan, okay lang, gusto mo pa, kuha ka pa. Pero pag ako kukuha, akin yan. So hindi ako makakakuha yun.
Ngayon pumasok ka na dito sa
Actually, sorry, ganun din po ako. Kapag kumakain kami sa labas, Dayan pa share naman. Sabi niya, hindi mag-order ka sarili. So, to be honest, favorite kasi namin Xiaolongbao. So, tig-10 kami. Well, too much information, pero ganun kami kakulong.
Dayan, ano kaya ang advantage and disadvantage na magkaroon ng isang asawa at pinsan sa bagong studio? Last na yun.
I guess advantage would be, as I've said earlier, we know each other really well and we share the same values and goals. Pati yung dynamics, kabisado na namin yung bawat isa. Disadvantage would be siguro yung tinatawag natin na familiarity bridge contempt since talagang magkakakilala na. So I hope we will still define yung line between work and yung relationship as a family member. So yun lang siguro. But that's very, very minor lang naman.
Thank you, congrats!
Thank you.
Kasi ito ang layo pa ng pinanggalingan, Dayan. From Cavite. Kaya gusto niya daw makauwi agad kasi traffic daw. From Bulgar, former president ng PMPC, pinalitan ng kung sino-sino. Ay, Julie Bonifacio.
Ay, congratulations po sa inyong lahat. Ang first question ko, Rojun, hindi ka ba na-insecure na DM ang pinangalan niya sa company? Siyempre, di ba, ang husband,
Ako po, hindi po ako na-insecure. Actually, sabi ko kay Dan, deserve mo yan, DM Studios. Kasi ikaw talaga yung queen eh. Ikaw yung may vision, siya talaga yung may vision. And syempre bilang asawa, proud na proud ako, hindi po ako na-insecure. Syempre asawa ko yun eh. And deserve niya talaga, deserve niya lahat ng meron siya, ng blessings. And ngayon po, na nag-live sell ako, si Dan din po yung nakasupport at tumutulong din po sa amin ni Maxine. So, yun po.
Okay lang. Abali, ano exactly yung position mo sa company?
VP po ako for marketing. Siyempre sa PR side po tayo.
Si Maxine po.
VP Sales po.
Ayan, thank you. Hey, next question. Tanawang na ni Maxine yung mic. Kay Maxine muna, Sir Bob, ito pinatatanong ni Sir Bob. Kasi di ba, between ka, ngayon, medyo naiba lang, ano? Kasi yung meron daw ngayon, open na raw ang, may intention ka pa ba na ipagpatuloy ang pagsali sa mga beauty contest? Kasi in-open na daw nila ngayon eh.
Ay, talaga po. Pasana pa rin po ba? No, well, right now po kasi, I wanna be honest, okay lang naman, but for now po kasi sobrang focus ako sa family, and now na lumalaki na si Zeke, yung anak ko, he's 19 months na po. And hindi na siya babalik sa ganong ka-cute. So, gusto ko po sanang mag-focus. Kasi, di ba, pagdating na ng mga teenager, wala na sila, iiwanan ka na, reality check, di ba? So, well, now, for now, focus po muna talaga ako sa family, business, and career.
Mag-i-invite ka rin ng mga beauty queens na mag-live selling sa company.
Yes, why not po? I'm about to ask them po if open sila with that. Kasi, yeah, like si Ara, si Nicole, ayan, sila MJ. Actually, tatanungin ko pa rin po sila kung if they're open to do live selling. But, medyo mahaba po, explanation. Kasi syempre mga beauty queen, nandun pa rin po sila sa sa era nila.
Ayan na nga, segue na kami dyan, Maxine, hindi ko na patatagalin. Kasi nagre-react si Bobby. Ayan na nga, kasi pag may nagla-live selling, parang ang tingin pa rin sa inyo, sa simple and plain word, tindera, di po ba? Tama ako, Mate. So, like nung nangyari po kay Mate, habang nagla-live selling siya, may nang-bash sa kanya. Ganun. Anong sabi sa kanya, Sir Bob?
Tinindan na ako.
So, anong reaction niyo po sa ganyan?
Ako, I think kasi we're actually trained as a host. So, syempre, like in the entertainment business, kailangan mo pa rin, prim and proper, and you handle it with grace. Ako kasi, kapag gano'n, hindi ko na din pinapansin. And we actually move on to the products na kung ano yung sinesell namin. And yun nga, in-empower namin sila to buy those products, and in-inspire namin sila to work well, mga ganon. So, ayun po. Eto na, sagutin po niya na.
No, because, a lot of people, it's really inevitable when they say live selling or live seller. So, tendency is, okay, nag-live selling na lang siya, dating artist na siya, baka wala na siyang project and the likes. But for me, it really all boils down to your vision, to your core and your objective. Why are you doing this? What is your purpose? Kasi ako, my purpose is of course to share my God-given talent to others and God used me as His instrument to be able to help others also. Hindi siya kung live selling lang. You're able to help people change. You're changing their lives. Number one, when you tap other celebrity influencers and friends, you're able to help them earn extra income or passive income. You're giving them opportunity or more job opportunities to people who doesn't have, work, diba? Two, you help brands grow their business, thrive in the industry. Three, nakakatulong ka hindi lang sa mga co-celebrities mo or friends mo, but also behind the scenes, all the team. You're able to help their families. And number four, you're able to support and help local products as well. So ako, pag sinasabi nila yun, no, I'm very, very proud of my work and I take my job seriously. Kaya nga during the awards night of Shopee, I am Diane Medina, I'm a proud live seller. So, hindi mo siya kinakaya, most especially if this is a decent and honest job, hindi siya flood control or whatever, hindi mo kinukuha. That's why kami talaga ni Roger, when we post yung mga achievements namin, kasi galing sa mabuti, galing sa matinong trabaho, na hard work talaga. And it talagang respect din ako sa live sellers kasi sabi ko nga, it entails a lot of sacrifice, commitment, and dedication to be able to do this kind of job.
And I can say, itong job na live selling na to, we're able to invest on a lot of properties as well. So, yun talaga yung nag-pave ng way. So, sino kami para mahiya? Nandito kami to be grateful to our Lord Jesus Christ kasi binigyan niya kami ng blessing na ganito kalaki. And we are very, very proud of this. And not to mention, nagkakaroon na ng mas nagiging open na. You can see other big celebrities also who does live selling. So marami na rin siyang pumapasok and I don't think dapat siyang ikahiya or kailangan mong tingnan ng mababa, baka wala ng work. I don't think naman ganon kasi mas marami na pong nagla-live ngayon na big celebrities also who has name in the industry.
Oo naman. Kahit katulad na lang Dayan, di ba? Ilang loan din ang binili mong bahay para sa mga kapatid mo, di ba? Saan lang ba?
Ay, sa kapatid, di kahit tigi-tigi sa kami, di ako.
Wala kang binili mo.
Bumili sila po ng kanya-kanya. Tabi-tabi lang kami. Thank you.
Si Rog. May sasabihin ka, Rog?
Ako po, proud live seller po ako kasi hard work po yan eh. Marangal na trabaho. And hindi totoo na pag nag-live ka, wala ka na trabaho, laos ka na. Hindi po, may mga projects pa po tayo. Kaka-champion lang po natin sa Stars on the Floor. May survey po tayo na ginagawa. And proud po ako dito kasi yung team po namin, lahat po yan nag-work for their families. Lahat sila inspired to provide for their families. Ang maganda po dito, nakakatulong na po kami sa brands. Nakakatulong po tayo sa mga tao. Tsaka hindi biro yung live selling. Akala nung iba talaga na madali lang yan. Hindi po hard work talaga yan, tsaka dedication. At mga matatalino po lahat ng live seller kasi kailangan nyo aralin yung mga products nyo. Kailangan nyo pag-isipan yung mga campaigns, gagawin nyo yung mga contents para yung mga viewers ma-attract nyo, di ba? So yun po, proud live seller po, Roger Cruz. Let's go. TM Studios represent.
Last question na lang. Ikaw, Maxine.
Kasi I just wanna share na sobrang proud na po ako ngayon as a live seller because not only because of my cousin, but because of the hard work din po. Kasi once nung day one na naupo po ako doon, it's really a hard work po talaga. Hindi siya madali, hindi madaling mag-please na tao. And for me, it's a good platform and it's a good what do you call this? Opportunity for every woman out there na to find their voice, to empower them, to be confident, and to grow also. Kasi this is a different, it's a different platform. It's a different industry actually, na tingin nila mababa pero hindi talaga. Once na nakaupo ka doon, for 3 hours, 4 hours, at kakausapin mo, so much respect there talaga.
Yeah, last question ko na lang, friend. Kasi tama naman, may advocacy. Isa sa mga matutulungan nyo kung matutuloy, kasi narinig ko kanina na-mention ni Dayan yung pangalan ni Tuesday Vargas. Tama ba ako? In-invite niyo siya?
Yes.
Ano pong naging reaction? Did you see her dun sa kanyang panawagan, kaya mo siya kinuha? Or...
No, prior to that, I was able to connect Ate Tuesday na on TikTok platform and I think may mga lives na siya doon. So ako yung nag-connect sa kanya sa TikTok. And now, I'm trying to connect her naman to other platforms and hoping na the collaboration and the partnership will push through.
Sige, nakatulong kayo.
Because Ate Tuesday is also a good friend. Magkasama kami sa TV5.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ito po, second to the last question. Ang dating presidente ng PMPC, ngayon bubagsak sa BC, ang PR ni Jojo Mendez Rodel Fernando.
May Jojo Mendez talaga, no? Una kay Rojun, gaano ka ka-proud at nagkaroon ka ng misis na maabilidad, madiskarte at masipag?
Di ma-explain kung gaano ka-proud kasi sobrang proud. And di alam ng lahat, sobrang nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon na ano po ba yung nagawa ko mabuti sa buhay ko at binigyan niyo ako ng ganitong asawa. Kasi nasa kanya na lahat eh. Di ba parang sobrang bonus na hardworking siya, matalino. Nasa kanya lahat kasi maganda, sexy. Tapos ngayon, kasi di ba, hindi naman lahat ganun. So parang grabe Lord. Tapos, bakit? Sexy mo naman. Sa paningin ko, sexy ka pa rin eh. Hindi kasi yung iba nagkasabi na, oy, ano na siya, nagkalaman siya. Eh, Nakakaya naman guys, kita na naman yung ganda ng mukha ng asawa ko, partida na yan. Paano ba pag nag-diet na yan, di ba? So yun po, sobrang higit pa yung nanalo sa loto. Kasi di ba yung gusto ko manalo sa loto, ito sobra-sobra sa loto to. Yung asawa ko. So yun po, sobrang proud talaga. Mahigit pa sa jackpot sobra-sobra kasi may Isabela, may Joaquin pa. Grabe na Lord, kaya gagawin ko lahat para sa inyo. Love you Lord, thank you, God bless us all.
Okay. Thank you, Roger. Kay Dayan naman. Ayun nga kasi, ang sipag-sipag mo, ang dami mong racket. Gaano ka na kayaman, Dayan?
Mayaman sa pag-ibig, sa family. So, gift of family, gift of love and friends. So, gift of work din, mayaman tayo sa trabaho. So, tuloy-tuloy lang din yung work. And thank you Lord for all the blessings talaga.
Pero gusto ko mag-react ka sa sinabi ni Roger kanina.
Si Rojon, I'm very lucky also to have my husband as my lifetime partner kasi sobrang bait ni Rojon. He's very religious and Christ-centered. Bihira ka makahanap ng partner who would also share the same beliefs. Lalo na sabay kami nagro-rosary, we pray the rosary together. We also have quiet time together. We give praises to our Lord Jesus Christ. Sa gabi nag-uusap kami kasi instead of counting our problems, we count our blessings. Yun yung way namin also to strengthen our relationship and our marriage as well. So, I'm very lucky to have my husband. Hindi nga kami nag-aaway. Yung pinaka-away namin, sobrang small lang talaga sa ulam, sa pagkain, or pag umupo ako dun sa pwesto niya, sa pagkakain, gusto niya siya yung dun sa dulo. Mga ganun lang, promise talaga. Ang dami nagtanong, inisip ko, wala talaga kaming away-away. Siguro kasi, we've known each other matagal na talaga. As in, we've been together for 18 years now. And prior to getting married, 12 years ata kami. So wala namang major adjustment nung nagsama na kami together.
Kay Miss Maxine, ano ang advantage ng pagiging beauty queen sa pagla-live selling?
I think yung advantage is nandun na agad yung nilolook up ka nila. And yung followers and fans ko nandun na din. And at the same time, kasi nasa category ako of beauty. So, yun yung advocacy ko. Sinishare ko sa kanila kung ano yung mga alam ko, yung mga beauty tips, ganyan. And yung mga mom tips, of course, nasa category din ako ng mom. So, yun, nakakapag-share ako sa kanila ng mga experience ko. And, ayun, nakaka-engage, mas okay yung connection and nakaka-engage ako with them.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Yan ang last question natin mula sa tutok. Wala, umihi. Wag na lang. Wala na. So, tapos na po. Ayun, Miss Gigi kasi magtatanong ng inquirer, natanong na daw.
PTV.
Ayan pong PTV4. Ayan, hi ma'am.
Miss Chacha Bantu.
Miss Chacha, ang ganda ng buhok niyo ma'am. In fairness.
Ayan po. Congratulations po sa inyong bagong studio. Kasi bago pa yung launching, nakakwento na ni Dayan na magtatayo siya ng agency. So gusto kong malaman, ano yung kwento? Paano yung moment na naisip mo, gusto kong magtayo na sariling agency? Do you have any funny anecdotes or any memorable na basta nangyari nung binubuo yung itong agency mo?
Noong una kasi, it started as a joke, magtayo kaya tayo. So that dream and vision became reality. Kasi mas maraming mga tao sa paligid mo, who really push us to push through with this business. And so many positive comments, recommendations, and feedbacks from the platforms as well. So parang nagustuhan din nila on how we work, on how of course, yung team din, yung hard work and all. So that really pushed us na, sige, why not we try? So yun, hanggang nabuo siya, and then yung mga team na kasama ko from day one, magkakasama pa rin kami dito. I tapped Rojon and Maxine to build this company with me. So yun, nag-start lang siya as a joke, naisip lang namin, and then, sige nga, try natin, gawin natin. So there. Rojo, would you like to share?
Yes, grabe talaga si Dian. Yung vision niya talaga, nag-start niyan syempre nung pandemic, syempre madami siyang natulungan na small brands. So ang maganda kasi dito, nakakatulong tayo sa mga brands nakaka-interact tayo sa mga audience natin, sa mga viewers namin. Actually, hindi na nasabi ng lahat. Nung una, si Dayan, parang kaya ba natin to? Pero kasi talaga, all-out support. So yun ang maganda sa amin as a family, na grabe yung support system namin. So alam namin na pag magkakasama kami, confident kami na magiging successful yung DM Studios. Pero syempre, number one talaga, pinagdasal namin to. And alam namin na hindi kami pababayaan ni Lord. Thank you. And syempre sa inyong lahat, thank you so much sa support nyo always sa amin. And continue din po for praying na maging successful po ang DM Studios. Thank you guys.
Alright, there you have it. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, our media partners. And